Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making a mouse stick from a mop stick. So without wasting so much time, we'll get into how to make this and see what a mouse stick is used for. So the very first thing you need to get is a piece of clothes, a rope, and any stick of your choice. Not necessarily a mop stick like this, but any stick. You fold the clothes. Let me use this. So it could be any clothes, but just fold it and make sure you have enough thick clothes. Wrap it around your stick, then tie it. So this is a mouse stick. I'll show you what a mouse stick is used for right now. Let's say for instance you're working on a masterpiece like this and you have all of the details here already, but you need to do a detail somewhere around the face. Let's assume we're doing with hot face and you need to do something around the face, but your paintings are still wet. That's the essence of the mouse stick. You put this part on the edge of your painting and raise this a little bit. It gives you that armrest to do your details comfortably without worrying about staining your details that you have done on the other side of your piece. So that's the usefulness of mouse stick. Have you been using mouse stick in your painting? Would you like to try this? Would you like to use it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.